those two suspects who are accused of murdering Brendin Horner, expected to appear, as I mentioned, in the Senekal Magistrate's Court later today. Now, the accused made their first appearance last week, sparking tensions in that small farming town. Mnisi has been there for a few days now. He joins us now live to give us an idea of the situation. Linda, great to see you. Beautiful, clear skies this morning. Hopefully the type of serenity we're going to see throughout the rest of the day.
Indeed, Ayanda, and that's what many leaders in this community are hoping for ahead of the court appearance of the two men accused of killing Brendin Horner. Now, it's quite interesting, Ayanda, that we also had an opportunity to speak to some of the community members in, Paul Rue, where these two men come from. And it appears as though the farmers there, the local farmers, are also experiencing the same issue around stock theft. In fact, one man that we spoke to says this is an opportunity for law enforcement to probe further. This is their opportunity to get their answers in terms of why exactly this has escalated to this level, and hopefully get to arrest also some of the people that are involved in this stock theft. But of course, the most important issue now is a life lost. Now, the community members are saying it seems as though this issue has escalated to a whole new level, but also all eyes will be outside court where the economic freedom fighters will be. We already saw a big truck of the police stationed outside court. Yesterday we saw the EFF's Mbuyiseni Ndlozi engaging the police outside the Senekal Magistrate's Court around exactly where they're going to be stationed and how things will unfold. We've also heard from local farming associations saying, well, we should let the law take its course, but we're also expecting a heavy police presence given the fact that the last time there was violence, they were slammed for failing to act.
That's right. And of course, EFF leader Julius Malema speaking here on Newzroom Afrika yesterday, saying that their objective is solely to protect democracy. I wonder, from what we know about the police's plans today, can we have a fair amount of confidence that they will have a handle of the situation, given, as you mentioned, the criticism they received last week?
It's quite interesting, Ayanda, because even when we left Senekal yesterday evening, there were already roadblocks that are leading into the town. The police, of course, would not get into the details of how they plan their operation, but also saying that they will, of course, be maintaining, their presence like they have in the past court appearances. They're also speaking about the issue around, bringing more people to assist in the matter. So we're seeing more police from other police stations, not just Senekal police station. It's also important, Ayanda, to note that the Senekal police station in particular is just around the corner from the court. So that's not very far from the police station itself. So what will be interesting to see is how they manage, how people move around, especially on the road towards the court. We've already spoken to local business owners who are also saying they'll be closed for the part of the morning given the busyness that will happen outside court, but hoping that court proceedings will conclude very early. We're also hoping from the media side that there won't be any hassles in terms of getting those media applications approved. You'll remember in last court appearances there was the issue around media application to broadcast the proceedings in the case of Andre Pinar. So that also will be under the spotlight today.
Absolutely. Well, thanks very much for this early morning update. I imagine it's going to be a very busy day ahead for you. So we'll leave it there for now. No doubt we'll touch base with you, Linda Mnisi, throughout the course of the day. That's Linda Mnisi, live to us there from Senekal.